How to enable cash app card when disabled. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application cash app is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your app store and then install it. Once it has been installed on your device, open the app and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, head over to your card section at the bottom. Well, if you have a cash card, then you will see the option to unlock your card. So if you want to fix your card being disabled, then just go ahead and click on the option to unlock your card. And hopefully this works for you. Now the next thing you can try doing is go back to your home screen, move into your profile, scroll all the way down, and then head over to support. Here in the source bar, search for card disabled. Well, there is no any article or the option of card disabled, so let me click on any one of the options from here. Simply click on the chat option at the bottom. Now you will be able to chat with the cash app support. You simply have to state the problem that you have been facing on cash app. Within 24 hours, they will analyze your issues and make sure that they bring the best solution for you. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix cash app card disabled. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.